Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 豚の生姜焼き. It's Japanese style pork ginger. Very easy and quick to make, but meaty and satisfying. It's of course good for a meal at home, but it's also great for bento box. So when I make it, I make some extra for bento box on the next day. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚の生姜焼き. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of thinly sliced pork. Any part you like, but it's thinly sliced. 1 onion, some ginger. 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of sake, and some salt and pepper. Put pork, salt and pepper, about a teaspoon, 3 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch in a bowl. Rub it well. And let it sit for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's slice the onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and slice. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium to medium high heat. And let's cook the pork. When the pork is half cooked, let's add onion. Keep cooking until the pork is completely cooked. Now, pork is completely cooked and the onion is wilted. Let's lower the heat and add the seasonings. Sake, mirin, sugar, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. Turn the heat back to medium high and cook for 2 minutes. Okay, let's grate some ginger straight into the frying pan. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. As much as you like. Make it as gingery as you like. I did about 3 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Turn the heat off and it's done. Make sure not to cook it too long after you add the ginger. It will kill the fresh flavor of the ginger. This is totally optional, but I like to have Syogayaki with fluffy shredded cabbage. So let's make some. Using vegetable peeler. This much will do. Release it in cold water. Drain. And dry it well. Fluffy cabbage on one side. And pork ginger on the other side. And 豚の生姜焼き is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's very porky, but the ginger masks the fattiness of the pork, so it's not heavy at all. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚の生姜焼き is a main, so it goes here. Shredded cabbage replaces one of the side dishes, so nothing here, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. Plain rice here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!